Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that's what to do in our first year. So mainly we are going to discuss with like first semester, like 6 months. So in our first semester is very important for our development, personality development. So focus on your extracurriculum activities, like career growth is important, but as you will grow up you will realize that first year was very important for your personality development. So participates in your college events, and you have like make a friend circle in which you can go to and more places to explore on, make up friend circles, have more means exposure to various places, and have overall development. Like first year is very important, especially the first semester for personality development. Secondly, I will say that education, like our studies are also important. So what we have to prioritize, our studies or our personality development. So mainly our studies are important, but as we go in our next semesters and years, we start realizing that now we have to be more serious. We will proceed to our next phase of our life. So there we have to be more conscious about our career growth, and in that our hobbies get lagged behind. But that all needs to be fulfilled over here. Your hobbies, your like develop your skills like singing, dancing, etc., reading books and having debates and etc., can be fully pursued in our this first semester, or we can say first year. So make memories, have a small memory book in which you can have your photos of your various events, your certificates, and many things more. So what about studies? So make a comprehensive notes, like in college you are attending the lectures, make sure that you are making notes over there, and at home you are revising it properly. Like first year, if you will give 50% on your education and 50% on your extracurriculum growth, like you are participating in events and all, so it will be calculated in your personality development. It's not like that everywhere just studies are important. You will get plenty of time in your further semesters for your studies and your future career growth and development. But this personality, this hobby development phase is just this, our first semester, or we can say first year. So further I would like to say that, giving my example, like I was very good in singing, I was very good dancer, but when I entered in college, so there was no one to guide me that these all things can be, studies can be carried out through all your years. But in starting I realized that no, our studies are more important, so I lagged them all behind, and now I am in my third year. So actually I am have at that phase that I can't go back and I can participate in all that events. But yeah, I have one option, that now after 1 year or 2 year, we can say, we have to go and find jobs, we have to give government exams. So I am not left with more time to have my personality growth phase. But I will suggest you that you should pursue your at least 6 months, give 6 months to your personality development. These all things are calculated overall development. This will make you another person, like singing, dancing, reading books, having debate competitions, and participating in sports will just help you modeling you, like they will shape your overall personality. So yeah, with that I am ending up with this beautiful topic, what to do in our first semester, especially participating for our personality development. So if you found the video helpful, do like, share and subscribe. Till the time, bye bye.